I must speak to your lord. I'm being repressed. If she weighs the same as a duck, she's made of wood, and therefore a witch! Ah! Who are you that are so wise in the way of science? I am Arthur, King of the Britons. Will you join me at my court at Camelot? Yes, my liege. Alright, Sight, we're not going to Camelot.
Behold, Arthur, this is the Holy Grail.
A blessing from the Lord!
Bring forth the holy hand grenade. 1, 2, 5!
What is your name?
Sir Galahad of Camelot.
What is your quest?
To seek the Holy Grail.
What is your favorite color?
Green. No, wait, blue, no!
Oh my God! Oh
Behold, the castle! Ah!